What's up YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the Mark V R32. So, I finally got that project in for the intake itself, and it looks like we're going to have no problems whatsoever with the upgrade whatsoever that was causing it with the brake master cylinder from Tyrolsport. And so, yeah, plug and play, very nice upgrade. Now I actually have an excuse to purchase this one and get this insulation out of the way and get a new one in there. And you know, definitely nice accommodation. I don't like obviously oil-based filters. I kind of wish they had a sock cover like they do for the Evolution Motorsports one. Maybe them watching this video will inspire them to actually go with that aspect, so I can actually have a double security aspect and protect it from the elements ×2, and I don't have to stand here cleaning it. Kind of cleans up the end of your day. I know there's nothing out there that shows from videos researching and stuff. You only get pictures whatsoever. I still need to get an extended screw. The one I had originally did not fit, so I just kind of have that just sitting there with the spacer. I thought I had the perfect length, but apparently I measured wrong. No, I did not cause that. That already came like that from when I received it. And yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know that's the aspect right there, and hence the reason why I haven't torqued that yet to do what it's supposed to do. Once I get that bolt situated later today, we'll be ready to rock and roll. And you know, I'm excited to get that going. It's super nice. Not bagging on or trying to discredit Evolution Motorsports, but obviously, like I mentioned before, I like to have upgrades, and when I do upgrades, things happen because no two companies alike, and so you have to figure out a plug-and-play solution in order to keep the components that you purchase and not lose in the end. Well, I could say that I lost an Evolution Motorsports one. I kind of like it, even though they did not keep the same as the platform as my Mark IV with the original design. So they kind of went into this material. It's more of a metal, aluminum-based powder-coated version, and hence the reason why you saw that I had done the temperature sleeves on there to reduce any type of heat. I don't know if I'll do the same here for this particular intake, because obviously it's not cost effective long term, and I'm always doing something, so we'll see and go from there, guys. So yeah, just letting you guys know the end result, and that's what it looks like. Still looks kind of like it sits higher than intended. When I actually installed it, I literally tried to play with the intake, sliding it out, sliding it in, and no, it's obviously, it doesn't have to do with the fact that it's a little bit raised, just like I said, a 1/4 inch. It's the fact of whoever designed this didn't set this completely down for this to sit lower, as you could see per the pictures on ECS's installation. So it's unfortunate, because we'll have liked to actually have this sitting a little lower, so that way it's actually getting the intake feed itself. And it's still a short ram intake. I still, despite the people claiming, for me it's a short ram intake in the sense that it's still getting it from the original design, unlike HPA's, which comes down from the lower area, where cold air is from lower elevation versus a higher elevation, so it's not consuming heat from the engine. It's actually getting better air circulation in the end result. But that's just my 2 cents from just being in this industry for quite a while. Alright guys, well, like I said, thanks for checking in. Subscribe, let me know what you guys think. Go from there. Talk to you then.